Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to solve an integrand using integration by parts. So let's start. Here we have cosecant raised to 5x dx. So we're going to break this apart into cosecant cube x and cosecant squared x dx. So we will have our u and our dv. So let u be cosecant cube x and du be 3 cosecant squared x times the derivative of cosecant, which is cosecant x cotangent x dx. So our dv would be cosecant squared x, and our v, which is the direct integrand of cosecant squared x, negative cotangent x. So the formula we have for integration by parts is uv minus integrand of v du. So here we have uv, which is negative cosecant cube x cotangent x minus the integrand of negative cotangent x, negative 3 cosecant cube x cotangent x dx. So bring down this term, minus 3 integrand of cosecant cube x cotangent squared x dx. So we brought down this term again, minus 3 integrand of cosecant cube x, and we use the Pythagorean identity, which is for cotangent squared x, which is cosecant squared x minus 1 dx. So we brought down this term again, minus 3 integrand of, we distributed cosecant cube x into this term, so we have cosecant raised to 5x minus cosecant cube x dx. So as you can see, we have arrived at the integrand of cosecant raised to 5x again, which is alike to the term of our main integrand. So in order to solve this problem, we're going to incorporate the main integrand into our formula. So now we'll have integrand of cosecant raised to 5x dx is equal to, brought out this term, negative cosecant cube x cotangent x minus the integrand of cosecant raised to 5x minus cosecant cube x dx. So since these two terms are alike, we have to transpose this term into the other side. So now we have cosecant raised to 5x dx plus 3 cosecant raised to 5x dx is equal to, bring down this term, and then this term too. So we're gonna have 4 integrand of cosecant 5x dx is equal to negative cosecant cube x cotangent x plus 3 integrand of cosecant cube x dx. So now we're gonna integrate this term, so it will result to 3 integrand of cosecant squared x cosecant x dx. So in order to be consistent, we're gonna let u be cosecant x, and du is equal to negative cosecant x cotangent x dx, and our dv is equal to cosecant squared x with the direct integrand v is equal to negative cotangent x. So now we have uv negative cosecant x cotangent x minus negative cotangent x times negative cosecant x cotangent x dx. We brought down this term and we brought out the negative signs. So negative times negative times negative yields to negative. So we combined like terms, so we resulted to cosecant x cotangent squared x dx. So we brought down this term and we integrated this. So we have integrand of cosecant x, and we use the Pythagorean identity again for cotangent x, which is cosecant squared x minus 1 dx. So bring down this term. We distributed cosecant x, so now we have cosecant cube x minus cosecant x dx. As you can see, we arrived at the same dilemma where we ended up with a term which is alike to our main integrand. So we're going to incorporate the main integrand again into the formula. So we now have 3 integrand of cosecant cube x dx is equal to negative cosecant x cotangent x minus integrand of cosecant cube x minus integrand of cosecant x dx. So now we have to transpose this term to the other side, which gives us 3 cosecant x dx minus the integrand of cosecant x dx is equal to negative cosecant x cotangent x minus the integrand of cosecant x dx, which gives us 2 integrand of cosecant x dx is equal to, we brought this term down and we directly integrated cosecant x, which results to ln of cosecant x plus cotangent x dx. Thus, we're going back to our first main integration, which left us with 4 integrand of cosecant 5x dx, which we have here, and then negative cosecant cube x cotangent x, brought it here, plus 3 times the integrand of cosecant x dx is equal to negative 1/2 cosecant x cotangent x plus ln cosecant x plus cotangent x. We have 1/2 here because we brought down 2 and we multiplied it with the entire term. So now we brought down 4 here, and it resulted to negative 1/4 cosecant cube x cotangent x plus negative 3/8 cosecant x cotangent x plus ln cosecant x plus cotangent x plus c. So we distributed negative 3/8 to these two terms, So now we have negative 1 over 4 cosecant cube x cotangent x minus 3/8 cosecant x cotangent x plus negative 3/8 ln cosecant x plus cotangent x. Since this term is already at its simplest form, we're going to leave it be and instead factor out what we could factor out from these two terms, which is negative 1 over 8 and cosecant x and cotangent x. So 1 over 4 cosecant cube x cotangent x divided by 1 over 8 cosecant x cotangent x results to 2 cosecant squared x. And this term divided by 1 over 8 cosecant x cotangent x results to positive 3. And then we brought down this term. So now we have our final answer, which is negative 3 ln cosecant x plus cotangent x plus cosecant x cotangent x times 2 cosecant squared x plus 3 over 8 plus c. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something.